Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got a package from Japan. This is a Zenpop subscription box. You can check them out at www.zenpop.jp, as you can see right there. Use the coupon code RamenRaider for a discount. And let's crack it open and see what's inside for this month. And here we are. Let's check out everything that we got inside. Alright, first thing you find is a thank you note. No, thank you. And next you've got your valuable information sheet. This one says it's the Ramen versus Udon pack for April 2019. And this has information on all the varieties that come in here. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 different noodles. I'll show you all the varieties and read you what they have to say about them. Marushan Saimen Rich Toro Tonkatsu Ramen. Marushan Saimen's noodle is a very special one, and only because it tastes as if it was freshly made noodle on site, and its technology to produce the special noodle is patent protected. It's smooth, yet has body in it. You can't go wrong with tonkatsu based broth with garlic and other spices. Toppings are chashu pork scallions and cloudier mushrooms. If you would like to arrange it a little bit, we'd say adding some boiled cabbage goes really well. Next we have Sapporo Ichiban and their Pirikara Kenshin Udon. Pirikara means a little bit spicy, and Kenshin refers to a soup dish containing sauteed carrot, burdock root, and various vegetables. This soup is shoyu based, kelp bonito and shiitake mushroom broth. Yawataya Isogoro's Shichimi 7 Spice is one of the most popular shichimi seasonings in Japan, and it has a history of over 270 years in production. This udon introduces you to the special shichimi from Yawato Isogoro and Kenshin soup. Especially burdock and shiitake mushroom in this cup taste delicious. We hope you enjoy this one-of-a-kind udon. Next up we have Marushan with, I believe this is their Niku Udon. It looks like they've changed the packaging somewhat. This udon soup is a little bit sweet in flavor compared to its regular udon broth. This light broth would attract your appetite even if you didn't have any at first. Once you smell that savory soup with the yummy meat topping, your stomach will be rumbling in no time. This is the kind of udon found around Japan in the shops at train stations and such, so you can grab a hot meal on your way home from work or in between rushing around. Next up we have a Myojo variety. This is their rich miso ramen. This ramen has a soup base made with red and white miso combined, and with pork bone broth and added ginger. It gives deep flavor to the miso. Included is a sachet of special flavor oil called Drop of Rich Deliciousness that adds sweetness and rich flavor. Next up, another Sapporo Ichiban variety. This is Hokkaido Crab Nabe Shoyu Ramen. This is the first Kanasuki ramen from Wara series. Kanasuki is one of the nabe dishes, and it is usually enjoyed as you cook crabs and vegetables, Chinese cabbages, garland chrysanthemum, and shiitake mushrooms in soy sauce and kelp-based broth soup. And next we've got a Marushan Tempura Udon, a simple and delicious broth made from bonito and kelp. The broth is so delicious you will finish until the last drop of the soup. Contains rather small shrimp and onion tempura inside the cup. This is an ideal night snack for you. Its light flavor won't give you any guilt eating at midnight. Alright, and last here we have a Myojo Yakisoba. Ooh, this is spicy miso yakisoba. This yakisoba just debuted from Myojo as their first umakara miso flavor. Umakara is a word mixture of umai, delicious, and karai, spicy. Kogashi niniku means roasted garlic. So this yakisoba offers you irresistible taste of Kogashi niniku with umakara miso flavor to fill your appetite. The kara miso paste orange sachet, add it as you like. You can maybe start adding a little and then a whole bunch more in the rest of it. That's too many weird Japanese words to say at 4 in the morning. And it looks like Zenpop is now offering bonus items. This month's bonus item is chopsticks. Try enjoying your ramen with chopsticks. Ba-doom boom. Alright, so in this, the April 2019 Zenpop box, you get tempura udon, miso yakisoba, that one, tonkatsu, something a little crabby, some udon,
fancy chopsticks,
your information sheet, and a thank you note. Alright, cool. Well, thanks for watching. If you should be interested in buying one of these boxes, you can use this coupon code over at zenpop.jp. That's zenpop.jp. Alright, hey. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every freaking day. Have a good one. Bye.